Hello my friends, welcome back to the channel. I'm Patty. I go by Pattymac Makes everywhere online. In today's video I have truly a very quick little unboxing to share with you. I found that I needed to purchase a little more of the background fabric in order to really get to work on the Summer Stars quilt pattern that I've been sharing with you the past few videos. I had hoped for us to be like, waist deep in a quilt along by this time this month, but unfortunately my friend passed away unexpectedly and it has been a lot to do, more than I thought, so I'm kind of behind. But I have started at least making the star block to get a feel for it, and if you stick around I will share that with you. So all of the fabrics that I'm using in the quilt, which this is the pattern, everything I have gotten through Missouri Star. And if you don't know, I am a Missouri Star partner, and the great joy of being in that partner program is that if you use one of my provided links, go through that link, go to the Missouri Star website and spend $50 or more, you're going to get an automatic 20% discount in your checkout. This is incredible. It works on sale items, it works on all sorts of things. It will not work on the Jenny box or like furniture and sewing machines, things like that. So it doesn't work on everything, but it works on a lot of stuff, including things that are already on sale. And when you make a purchase using my provided links, it goes a long way towards supporting me and keeping the channel going and all of that, and I super appreciate it. Okay, let me show you what I got. So as I was saying, I'm working on this, and what I picked up was a fat quarter bundle. It's the Liberty bundle in the Tonga fabrics, and that is a Missouri Star exclusive. It's absolutely beautiful. And what I realized is I just didn't have quite enough white for the background. It takes more than you think. So I just went ahead and ordered, like, I don't know, 2.5 or 3 yards. Let's see what I got. Let's see, how much did I got 3 yards. I say to you all the time, you can never have too many low volumes on hand because they'll just go with pretty much everything. So whatever doesn't get used in that quilt pattern, it'll wind up somewhere. And you can mix and match low volumes across all sorts of different collections and designers and so on. But anyway, this is the package. It's not huge. I didn't get a lot. What I wound up doing is I went on to get the yardage for the background, and then you're like right there. You're so close to getting that 20% discount. So I was like, well, what else can I get to get me over the hump there? So I think you're gonna like what I got. So here's the yardage. We'll look at that first. And it's called Tonga Batiks Liberty Dotty Fireworks. Isn't that pretty? It's that tone on tone. I love a tone on tone for my low volume. I don't really like just like the super plain white. I guess it has its place in some patterns. It can work, but I really enjoy a tone on tone. It's so pretty. So anyway, I got that, and it wasn't quite enough to hit that $50 threshold, so I picked out zippers. And these are a Lori Holt product, and they're called Happy Zippers, and I liked them because she's got the little double. So they're just your like nylon zippers, so they're easy to sew right over. I'll be right back. Actually, they can leave a message. I want to get this finished for you. Yeah, so these are 16-inch zippers. So they're big, so they could work for a large project. And I just like how Lori did the double pulls. You don't often see that. And the colors, you know, Lori, can we just talk Lori Holt? I don't have a lot of Lori Holt. This is like it. But I really like her stuff, and I think she's incredible. Prolific is the word that I would use. How this woman gets done what she gets done, I don't know. I don't know. She needs to write a book or do a course or something on time management and productivity, because she is incredible. Anyway, and her use of color is amazing. So anyway, I got these, and that got me over the $50 hump, and here's what I got. So anyway, let me just show you what I've worked on in terms of the quilt. It's not much, but this is the star. Okay, and so I made it so that you have 4 different patterns going on in the center. And this is a version that I made. I love it personally. Now I used the Tonga Liberty. Well, let me stand up. So it's the red and white. The red, white, and blue is the Tonga Liberty and the batik. The gold, the star legs, that's Ruby Star. That's from the Verbena. And then the center panel with the prints, that was from a charm pack that I bought recently. I think that's American Beauty. So it's a lot of stuff going on, but I really like it. So the finished quilt will wind up having 8 stars and 8 diamonds. And this is what I've done so far. And I want you to notice that I did it, the star legs, as flying geese. So I used my large Quilt in a Day flying goose ruler, which is that Eleanor Burns method. So yeah, so the way that I'm doing this, I'll just give you a heads up. It's going to be, you make your star legs 4 at a time with that 4 at a time flying geese, and then I'm doing the half square triangles as your corner blocks, also 4 at a time, which I have not shown you that before. Usually I just do them 2 at a time, but for this, we're doing them 4 at a time. And if you wanted to be really efficient, you could do 8 at a time and knock out enough for 2 squares at once, 2 blocks at once. Anyway, and it works out to be a 16.5-inch block. So it's good sized. I like it. I got this one sewn. I've got another one on my design wall that just needs to be sewn together, so I need to work on that. This is the diamond. I haven't made one of these yet. So usually what I do when I make these projects that I share with you, I like to make the block a couple of times and come up with my own way. I like to present different ways of doing things. So like in this one, we're going to do the 4 at a time HSTs and the large flying geese 4 at a time. And then you'll just have to do the middle panel, and those can be made as like chain piecing. So if I was like in normal times and efficient, I would have had this done by now, but it's crazy over here. Anyway, here's the diamond. So when I do the diamond, I'm going to do this part also is the flying geese. I mean, really, the only difference between this and the star is just the way the point is turned here. That's it. So this will be 4 at a time flying geese, and then this will be 4 at a time HST. And you know what? Maybe I'll do the center as 4 at a time HST. That's not a bad idea. And then that should make it pretty quick. These are always tricky to put together because you have so many intersections to get lined up to get that beautiful sharp diamond, but I think it's a fun challenge. So anyway, but I haven't made one yet. But I do have this. Oh, I love it so much. I did have someone that their thought was to maybe do the star points in blue. And I want it to look like a sun or a sunflower or something like that. So I like the gold, and I think once it's all together, the gold is going to look nice against that blue diamond. So that's what I'm going with. Okay. That's today's video. If it feels a little rushed and like I'm kind of just moving quickly, it's because I am. It's already after 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Usually when I film these for you, it's much earlier in the day. I just couldn't get to it until now, and I really wanted to have this video for you. So that's it for this video. I'm going to jump right into the next one and get that made, and hopefully have these two out fairly quickly. Okay, that's it. Thank you as always for watching. Just know how much I appreciate you, and I'm going to get those cutting instructions and everything ready. So we'll be a little late, but you know, better late than never. And yeah, I mean, I think it's a beautiful quilt. So if you're not, it's going to get made, and you're going to love it, I think, when you're done. I hope anyway. Okay. Until next time, just stay really positive and keep quilting, and I will see you around YouTube soon, I hope.